Hey everyone, I'd just like to introduce you to Precious, our Harley. So she's not looking so precious at the moment. It's pretty haggard, and we're going to just do a few things to it to tidy it up. Some idiot has busted this, like the battery compartment cover.
Some of the indicators, I think.
Yeah. Someone's lifted it.
Yeah.
And popped all these out. Got to adjust some controls.
Best part about this bike.
Take this shit off. Just try and get it back to looking like a half reasonable bike. And
We're going to do up a list. Check it twice. Find out if Precious
is naughty
or nice.
Alright, so to fix the, what do you call it? The battery tray, we need to get to it, so we've got to take the seat off. Can you get a spanner onto it? You should be able to just slide it. Some of you may remember me from such YouTube pipe dreams as RX-7 restoration.
RX-7 best restoration 2016.
Yeah.
For starters, there's a battery underneath here, right? It's just a cover, and you pop this off.
To gain access to it.
Yeah, and they're held in with these little shitty plastic sort of clips that it sort of just sits in and fits snugly up against it. There's only two, and a lot of people have to make custom stuff to be able to hold it on so the battery doesn't fall out when you're riding. But thanks to our previous experience with Japanese cars, yeah, we've got it sorted.
Let's fix these controls up.
Yeah,
They're supposed to locate in here. If you can see my
yeah.
little finger.
So we've got to loosen this off, slide it over, clamp it back down. Beautiful. Oh, indicators actually need to come out. Not bad. There's a dent here, right, and we can't get it out. So we're thinking of maybe taping it across here and cutting the arse of the fender off. And Trent is all for it.
A lot of people do it, trust me, but they usually cut it back here.
Yeah. Oh no, let's tape it and see how close we come to doing this.
If we're taping it, we're going to cut it.
Fucking hell. Then we've got to clean it and then we're done. So basically the idea of it is tape is a marker as well as also protects the paint. Yeah.
Well, apparently, like, if you just cut on the metal,
yeah,
it'll chip the paint. So I've seen in other videos, they put the tape down, they lop it off with the grinder, and everything looks like it's factory tape.
Okay. Are you going to do it?
Okay, let's do it.
Right.
Alright, this is how to add $2 grand to your Harley in one foul swoop.
So, a little bit of paint off it, but pretty damn straight. I think it looks pretty cool. It's not like there's much taken off it, it's like short back and sides, but
Yeah, it looks better than what
you can't see it though.
Like a dented fender.
Yeah. So then we could cut half the tank off.
Why can't we? Let's do a tank chop on.
Tank shot, yeah. Alright, so we just cleaned it. Kick her in the gut, see if it starts. So we finished with the bike and Trent's packed it. See you, mate. Catch you later. Just a quick video. Tinkering with a Harley. I'm sure we'll get some videos of it cruising. Catches.